In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail email fetcher for your private email in a way that's simple and easy to follow. We're going to break it down step by step to ensure you get everything right without any hassles. To start, you'll need to log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon to access settings. In the drop-down menu that appears, select See All Settings. This will allow you to access all the configurations we need to work with. Now, you should see several tabs across the top of your screen. Click on the Accounts and Import tab. This section is essential because it holds all the magic tools we'll use to fetch your private email into Gmail. Take a moment to glance through the different options available, as understanding these will be critical. Next, look for the section that says Check Mail from Other Accounts and click on Add a Mail Account. This is where you tell Gmail you want to import your private emails. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter the email address of the private email account you wish to check. Carefully type in your complete email address and hit the Next button. At this stage, Gmail will prompt you to choose how you want to manage your mail. Check the option for Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3. If this step seems confusing at first, don't worry. It's simply enabling Gmail to use a system that fetches and stores emails from your private account. The next screen will require you to input more information, particularly your email account settings. Pay close attention and fill in the correct username, which is usually your complete email address and the password for the email account you wish to fetch emails from. There's also the need to input the POP server and the port. Typically, these are specific to your email provider, so you may need to reach out to them or check their support pages for the exact details. There are extra options here that you have the liberty to customize, such as whether you'd like to leave a copy of the retrieved message on the server or label incoming messages. These settings depend on personal preferences and how you would like to manage your emails. Finally, click Add Account. Gmail will then start to integrate your emails into your inbox. It's a straightforward process that should sit seamlessly within your daily email use. And there you have it. Setting up Gmail Email Fetcher is a powerful way to manage all your emails in one place, enhancing productivity while keeping everything organized and accessible. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thank you for tuning in and happy emailing.